Hello, everyone. My name is Adam, and I'm your host for Easy English with Learning English podcast. I'm here to help you learn simple and useful English for real life.
And I'm Sarah, your co-host. I'm excited to join you again and guide you through another helpful English conversation topic.
Today, we are moving into a topic that everyone needs at some point, going to the bank and talking about money. Whether you need to open an account, deposit money, ask a question, or understand financial terms, this episode will help you speak clearly and confidently.
Many English learners feel nervous when they go to a bank because there are many new words, formal sentences, and serious conversations. But don't worry, you don't need complicated English to handle banking situations. Simple English is enough.
Exactly. In this episode, we'll walk you through greetings, questions, bank services, money vocabulary, polite sentences, and complete practice conversations. We'll keep everything slow, clear, and easy to follow.
Let's begin with the basics, how to greet someone at a bank and how to speak politely with the bank staff.
When you enter a bank, the first person you meet might be the security guard, receptionist, or teller. A teller is the person who helps you with money tasks at the counter. Here are some simple greetings you can use. Good morning. Good afternoon. Hello, I need some help. Hi, I have a question.
Bank staff usually respond politely and they speak a little slower than normal. They might say, "How can I help you? What can I do for you today? What service do you need?"
Many people freeze when they hear these questions, but don't worry. You can answer in easy English. For example, I want to open a bank account. I need to deposit money. I want to withdraw cash. I need to transfer money. I have a question about my card. My account is not working. I lost my ATM card. Simple, direct, and polite.
Now let's talk about common banking services in beginner-friendly English. Open an account means you create a new bank account. Deposit money means you put money into your account. Withdraw money means you take money out of your account. Transfer money means you send money to another account. Balance inquiry means checking how much money is in your account. Print statement means getting a paper record of your transactions. Activate card means starting your card for use. Block card means stopping the card if it is lost or stolen.
See? Simple vocabulary, but very powerful. These words help you communicate clearly at the bank.
Let's do a short example conversation where a customer wants to open a new account.
Good afternoon. I'd like to open an account.
Sure. Do you want a savings account or a current account?
A savings account, please.
All right. May I see your ID and address proof?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Okay, no problem.
Once you finish, bring it back to me.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it. Simple and polite. Let's move deeper.
Bank conversations are usually formal. People don't talk casually in banks because it's about money and privacy. So use polite expressions. Could you please? I would like to. May I? Can you help me with? I need assistance with.
If you don't understand something, never feel embarrassed. You can simply say, "I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Can you say it more slowly? I didn't understand. Can you explain? What does that mean?" These sentences are very useful.
Now let's talk about asking questions politely. Many people struggle with this. Here are simple, clear questions. How much is the minimum balance? Is there any fee? How long will it take? What documents do I need? Is online banking available? How can I activate my ATM card? Is my account active? Why is my transaction failing?
These are real sentences used by people every day at the bank. If you memorize even 5 of them, you will feel more confident.
Let's move on to describing money problems. Sometimes things go wrong. Your card stops working, the ATM eats your card, or your payment fails. Here's how to explain problems in simple English. My card is not working. The ATM did not give me cash. My transaction was unsuccessful. I lost my card. My account is blocked. The machine keeps showing an error. The money was deducted, but I didn't receive anything.
And here are useful responses from bank staff. We will check it for you. Please give me a moment. Can you share your account number? Let me verify. We are looking into the issue. You will get a message shortly.
Now let's practice a longer conversation. This will sound very natural and realistic.
Hello, I need some help. My ATM card is not working.
Sure, may I see your card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can you please tell me what the issue is?
I tried using it at the ATM, but the machine said card not authorized.
I see. Did you activate your card after receiving it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, no problem. We can activate it now. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please wait 1 moment while I check.
Sure.
All right, your card is now active. You can use it in 10 minutes.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
Have a nice day.
Now, let's talk about transferring money. Many people need to transfer money for bills, family, or business. To say it simply, I want to transfer money to another account. I need help sending money. I want to pay a bill. I want to send money internationally.
The bank teller will ask, what is the account number? What is the amount? Do you have the person's details? Is it a local transfer or international transfer? Do you want to transfer from your savings or current account?
Here's an example. Hi, I'd like to transfer $300 to this account.
All right. May I have the account number and name?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please confirm the amount.
$300.
The transfer is complete.
Thank you.
Now let's look at opening a new account, but more detailed. When you open a bank account, the bank might ask for your ID or passport, your phone number, your address, your signature, your employment details, initial deposit, starting money.
Here's a full beginner-friendly conversation. Good morning. I would like to open a new account.
Good morning. Do you want a savings account or a current account?
What is the difference?
A savings account is for personal use and saving money. A current account is for business.
I need a savings account.
Great. Can I see your ID and address proof?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. You need to fill out this form.
Do I need a minimum balance?
Yes, you must keep at least $100 in the account.
Okay, that's fine.
After filling the form, please come back to me.
Now let's focus on money vocabulary, all in simple English. Cash is paper money. Coins are metal money. Deposit means put money into the account. Withdraw means take money out of the account. Loan is money you borrow. Interest is extra money you pay back. Balance is money you have in the account. Statement is a record of your money activity. PIN is a secret code for your card. Transaction is money movement. Fee is extra charge.
Very clear and very useful.
Now let's move into a more real, natural scene. The scene is inside the bank. Customer wants a loan.
Hi, I want to ask about a loan.
Sure, what type of loan are you interested in?
A personal loan.
All right. Do you have a job?
Yes, I work full-time.
Great. Do you have your salary slip?
Yes, here.
Thank you. How much do you need?
Around $5,000.
Okay, you may qualify. Can you fill out this form?
Yes.
Once you submit it, we will review it and contact you.
Now let's teach listeners how to ask for clarifications. This is very helpful in a bank because sometimes instructions are confusing.
You can say, "I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Can you explain this part? Is this necessary? What should I do next? Do I need to sign here? Where do I submit this form?"
And if you need more time, can I take this form home? Can I bring the documents tomorrow? I need time to think.
Before we end today's episode, let's make one long, realistic conversation that includes greetings, questions, clarifications, and money vocabulary.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I want to deposit some money into my account.
Sure. How much would you like to deposit?
$500.
Okay. Do you have your account number?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait one moment.
Sure.
Your deposit is complete. Is there anything else?
Yes, actually, I have a question about a transaction.
Okay. What happened?
Yesterday, I tried to pay online, but the payment failed.
Did you receive a message?
Yes, it said transaction declined.
All right. Let me check your account.
Thank you.
Your account is fine. It might be a server issue. Please try again later.
Okay. Also, can I get a print of my last month's statement?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Before we finish, here is a short list of polite phrases for banks. Please help me with this. Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your help. I understand. I will bring the documents tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Politeness makes everything easier.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope you feel more confident speaking English at the bank.
Remember, English for banks doesn't have to be difficult. Simple, polite English is enough to communicate clearly.
Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more beginner English episodes.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.